Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Vishal Sharma and I recently cleared IBPS PO 2018 in my first attempt at it. I'm making this video to share my strategy for the three sections which helped me clear this exam. A word of caution before we start. Whatever I advise or say in the following few minutes is what worked for me based on my own relative strengths and weaknesses. So don't take my word as gospel. Your mileage may vary. So let's begin. Let's start with the verbal section, as this is a section which troubles most new aspirants. I believe the secret towards scoring well in the verbal section lies in having a good hold on a very key aspect of the whole exam, that is reading. So my suggestion would be to read as much as possible, as often as possible, and from as many quality sources as you can. Develop a sense of deriving context, keeping in mind the informational flow, as well as look out for inflection points in any given sentence in any passage. There are only a few grammar rules that you actually have to learn, and being aware of their application in various use cases is all that is required. Lastly, to work on your vocabulary, focus on etymology. I'd recommend a very well known book, that is Norman Lewis, which delves into the study and real life application of root words, and through that, they teach vocabulary in a very effective manner. Moving on to quant, my strategy for this section was pretty straightforward: practice, optimize, and repeat. If you're starting from scratch, I'd recommend VX's live classes on the Oliveboard platform. Build basics from those excellently paced videos, and the best part about these classes was that the barrier of entry is really low. He covers the concepts from the absolute basic level and goes on to tackle really typical and difficult problems in a very holistic manner. I'd also recommend anyone to supplement the course with high quality topic tests that Oliveboard provides. If you want additional practice apart from that, use the book Quantum Cat by Vishal Sharma. In that book, level 1 and level 2 questions would cover and even go beyond the difficulty level of questions asked in most PO mains exam. Also, optimize the methods you see and keep improving through sectional tests and full length mock tests. More on this later. Lastly, for reasoning, I use YouTube videos to build concepts and learn methods. There are a lot of excellent sources, and whichever instructor you build a rapport with, stick to him and practice, of course. I focus entirely on my strengths in this section, which was analytical reasoning, which is based on reading and interpretation. Besides all this, I would urge anyone preparing to write and attempt as many mocks as you possibly can. Mocks give you a chance to do two things. It allows you to familiarize yourself with the sectional timing aspect of the exam, and how to manage time is a useful skill which pays off in the actual exam. It also shows you areas which you need to work on, as well as looking at the solutions. You can sometimes get optimized methods, so that helps a lot. However, don't get discouraged by low scores, as mocks are designed to cap the amount of questions and points you can score. Instead, focus and look at accuracy, and if you have a competitive edge in you, look at the percentile numbers. That will give you a more insightful look into how you fared compared to your peers. They are infinitely more helpful than absolute scores. So yeah, that's about it, and I wish you all the best and for the upcoming exams, and hope you succeed in your endeavors. Thank you.